Thanks for checking out the PS31-2AL. Here it is. This is the PS31. It's a 3/8 inch drill driver with 2 speeds up to 1300 RPM and 265 inch-pounds of torque. Has a variable speed trigger on it, as well as a battery gauge so you can see how much power we have left. Works with our 12-volt max system. Nice, compact, fits in your hand really well for all your drill driving applications. It also fits in the L-Box 1, which is designed to hold your charger, your batteries, all in the exact fit trays. And if you want to put another tool in, you just switch these out and pop one right in here. The whole system is compatible with the Bosch Click-and-Go system. And learn more about that, stay tuned.
Introducing the new Bosch Click-and-Go storage system, the intelligent and flexible storage and transport solution.
Getting out of my truck, I'm not pulling a little from here, a little there. I just grab the box and go.
Handle everything from the workshop to the job site and back again.
One little toolbox, what does that hold? You've got all this right here.
Flexibility, efficiency, and quick access to the right tool for the job.
You're not hunting around on the ground looking for everything, you know, it's all organized. We're right here.
Now more than ever, pros know time is money.
Click-and-Go system is all about efficiency.
You got material everywhere, you're going to be rebuying stuff.
It takes our productivity through the roof, actually.
L-boxes feature single-click stacking.
It's nothing more than just basically stacking it right on top of each other, click it, and let's go.
Easily lock and unlock cases together for maximum portability.
So if I want to depart and just bring my screws and my screw gun because I'm walking upstairs, I can limit instead of having to carry this jumbo stack of my toolbox.
Build your own system.
All these great, you know, where you can store whatever you want.
The inserts are great.
Mix, match, and adapt to your needs with optional drawers, organizers, and tool storage inserts.
I'm not going to open up and everything's been folded like a deck of cards.
Plus added mobility with the L-Dolly.
On a rolling cart, roll it with me. I'm not breaking my back.
4 compatible sizes of L-boxes. Simply choose the size that fits your storage needs.
I'm thoroughly prepared for about anything that comes my way.
Durable, mobile, dependable. The storage solution that'll help you work smarter than ever before.
Accessibility, just everything that it does is just, it's outstanding.
Save time and money with the new Bosch Click-and-Go system, the intelligent transport and storage solution.
To be honest with you, I love them.
It follows me wherever I go.
So happy with this. It's awesome. And besides, it looks good too, by the way.
Bosch, invented for life.